Hello, Greg here from Oak Lake, Manitoba. We're in the middle of winter here in January, just after the Christmas holidays, and we got a dump of snow. Snowblower died halfway through the project, so now I'm going to try and do a makeshift redneck repair. Basically is the cable that broke that engages the throwing part of the snowblower, so the auger and the thrower. So it broke right behind this cog here. This cog pulls the lever that engages the belt. So doing some looking, I've got ample room of adjustment on the end of my cable here, so I'm not going to be too worried about getting exact length. Looked online, couldn't find any tutorials on how to handyman fix this, so I'm going to give this a try. So basically I've got a machine nut, got some threads on the inside. I'm going to feed that onto my cable first. Now I'm going to take this broken piece, I'm going to try and splice these two pieces of cable together as effectively as possible, just so it's overlapping and meshing a bit. I found some tutorials on soldering cable, but I think I need a little more mechanical strength than soldering. The other option would be to acetylene weld, which I also don't have, so I'm going to give this mechanical approach a shot. So the hardest part is going to be getting this nut threaded on. So I just want to make sure I've got tails on either end of this nut. So I've really only lost about 1/4 of an inch. So now I'm going to go over to my makeshift anvil here. Hopefully don't smash my pressure gauge on my pump here and spray us all with water. But basically just compressing the nut now, and this is going to act like, just want to make sure I stay in the right spot here on these, on the cable. But the idea here is that the threads on the inside of this nut, once I get this squashed and pinched, will act like a makeshift clamp. So essentially the threads on the inside of the nut, now that I've squashed it, are acting like a bind between the two tails of cable. And as you can see, when I give it a real good torque there, it's not letting go. So I think I've got my fix. Until next time.